Good morning and welcome. It's Gillykube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Australia. I'm doing a voiceover, so hence the wavy donnies, the wavy hands. Today I'm doing a painting with using the Boom Gel stains. Link below in the description box. The only exception being this particular base coat that was just acrylic paint with Floetrol only. So I'm I'm coating the base of my canvas with just this creamy colour, and then I'll use only Boom Gel paints. I will be using the little bottles you see that I'm using to squirt on there are Boom Gel mixed with 2 drops of the Boom Booster, which gives you the cell and lacing effect. So you can buy these products in Australia on the link below, Capriole Shabby Chic, or if you're in the US or UK, please contact the website of Boom Gel, which is below in the description, and you can get them pretty much anywhere. They'll let you know where their stockist is. So as you see, I'm doing a bit of finger painting here, and I'm just going to get down and let you just watch me produce this, because I was kind of wanted to be in the zone and not think about talking when I was doing this video, and I was trying to channel my inner Cathleen Ozmore of Cos Creations. She does some beautiful minimalistic swipes, and if you know me and my art, I don't very often do minimalistic. I'm a full-on throw everything you can at the canvas type of gal, but Cathleen does these very minimalistic swipes that look so elegant and beautiful. So I am just giving Cathleen's style a little test on a small canvas, because I have a very large canvas that I want to do minimal on, so I don't have to use tons and tons of paints doing my throw all. So thank you, Cathleen, for your gorgeous art. Cathleen and I hopefully very soon will be doing a collaboration together, so that'll be a bit of fun. And I'll let you just have a look at my doodling and my trying to channel my inner Cathleen.
I guess you get the gist of what I'm doing. The black in, obviously the black in the little squirty bottle was just the black Boom gel paint with a few drops of the Boom Booster. So I put it in those little containers so it's nice and easy to squirt out. So there you go, there's my minimalistic swipe. Thank you guys so much. Let me know how you think I did. Wait on for the photos, because I've got a kind of a few photos in there that'll show you how they look hung on a wall. Yeah, they're not well, you'll see. So let me know what you think of minimalistic. For me, it just doesn't suit me, does it? But thank you for lovely Kathleen. Go check Kathleen's work out if you haven't already, because she does some beautiful work, and she's a lovely lady. So thank you guys for joining me again on this little journey of discovery with my art. Until tomorrow for another pour, so be there in the morning for my next pour and wait on for the photos. So thanks guys, bye for now.